Hello everyone, this is Professor L here. Welcome to my channel, Your Guide to Healthy Living. Please subscribe below to follow through. Today we're gonna make how to make Chinese spicy eggplant. It's so delicious. These are the ingredients you need, and the special sauce, it's called the old lady sauce that looks like this. You can get from any Asian supermarket. It's super spicy. So eggplant is actually very nutritious, and it contains a good amount of water content, so it fills you up very well, and on top of it, a good amount of fibers. Now just heat about half cup of oil, and you want to saute the eggplant very well, so about 1 to 2 minutes, and coat all the oils around the eggplant. It should change its color when it's salted. Then just take out all the eggplants, get ready for the seasonings. 1 tablespoon of oil on high heat, and just saute for a few seconds of the garlic, ginger, and scallion that we just chopped earlier, and add the special sauce. And then just mix all of them together for about a minute. During this minute, you want to add about 2 tablespoons of cooking wine and 1 tablespoon soy sauce for taste. And voila, there you got it. It's super delicious and fill you up, and it's very nutritious. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.